Now I'd like to introduce Dr. James Fenton from the Florida Solar Energy Center, who will be giving a welcome to the great state of Florida. And thank you for your sunshine.
While I am in charge of the Florida Solar Energy Center, I don't have the power to control the sun, but usually it does shine here. We've had lovely weather over the last several days, and I hope you get to continue to enjoy that with the meeting. The Florida Solar Energy Center was founded 35 years ago at the time of the first real energy crisis, right? One where we realized that we were importing more oil than we were consuming. Unfortunately, today we're consuming a lot more, and really it's more of an economic price consequence than it is an energy consequence. We're moving forward. And the Florida Solar Energy Center continues to carry out research in solar, hence its name. But our largest division is made up of building efficiencies, and as you're all aware, efficiency is where it's really at. Okay? In addition to building efficiencies, we have alternative fuels, hydrogen, fuel cells, and a lot of training and education. And we're also very proud of the fact that we have 5 people that work exclusively with K through 12 education and putting things such as efficiency measures out into the class. I think you've perhaps seen this information here. As you're aware, buildings, whether they be our residences or whether they be commercial, consume a substantial amount of our electricity budget. You'll also notice that transportation on those same pies is 0. Right? I will just end with this slide. Perhaps you've seen it before. This is the per capita electricity use, electricity per person per year, okay, in the United States. It's a function of time. Through the 60s to the 70s, Florida, California, and the nation all increased. We had the Arab oil embargo, and then California went flat. The rest of the nation continued to move up, as did Florida. Today, that's a difference of about 5,000 kilowatt hours per person. At 12 cents a kilowatt hour, that's $600 a year. At 18 million people in Florida, that's $10 billion a year we spend on electricity. That if we built our buildings like they did in California, we wouldn't have to do that. Now, I challenge you to also look at this from a different perspective. That 5,000 kilowatt hours a year per person between Florida and California is equivalent, in the new electric car you're all going to own, to 15,000 miles driven. So that means if you choose to go ahead and make your homes more efficient, you can drive your car for free using the electricity you saved and get off displaced foreign oil. Thank you very much.